especially at the show.
You will not win. I told you before, this channel is about teenage pussy.
Surging, but the next step is to take a class to really
any kind of pussy.
use whatever surgery you have to
But good
its
pussy.
potential. Absolutely.
I want to fuck some of these parents out there. Can you imagine what their kids look like?
That we all do are great.
Sure.
But you don't retain that the way you do if you do an absolute project.
This channel is always about, I told you, spasmodic loads. You catching mad gobs of ropes and wads of cum all over your fucking face.
Take a look.
Mm-hmm.
One of these is
with the inverted eyebrows, like, yes, that place,
a
yes.
lot when I'm traveling.
Eager.
But we've actually put the zipper in with
An eager recipient of endless loads.
On your edges, so no more snagging threads in the zipper. It's easier.
Sticky and cum-laden
As you know, there are so many
all the day. Hi, baby.
coils,
And all the night. My
perfect
sweetheart, I love you.
They can put their iPads
Covered.
or e-readers in the back. It works really well.
When you come in the door to this channel, that's what happens.
You made something start to finish, and it's
You will not win.
a teacher.
You will not stand around and not catch cum.
I want to thank you for being our guest on
Put your hands on your titties, put the titties together, get the tongue out, roll the eyes back, look up at me, say the lines,
Thank you so much.
and get covered. There are loads of flying on this channel. You can't stand around and say shit idly and not get sprayed.
I am Stacy Halverson.
You will not win.
This is
I will
my friend
win.
Tina Torrey, my mother Kathy.
You'll be
Hackett,
covered in it.
My daughter
I
Brittany
won.
Revel, and my aunt Debbie Wilson.
Tons of nodding heads.
Started at the Tacoma Dome.
He got faces.
Pretty cold. It was
And rolled up
small.
fucking eyes.
When you wanted to take a class, you just got in line. They handed you a ticket, and you got.
Very sounds of female begging.
The ticket. There were very few vendors. And that was the first
Distant
time
men
we met Nancy.
screaming.
In 1986 at our first expo, we bought some stuff, bought a book.
From
got
spent
excited,
loads.
And we've seen her every year that she's been here since then.
That's the
I
landscape.
started coming in 1998 when I met.
Geisha.
She started bringing me here.
You will not win. You will not stand around and not be covered.
2003.